So we encourage you to be proactive about taking care of your brain.
Yeah, otherwise it can just kind of wither away, and we don't want that to happen. Right.
So to have a vibrant brain and be mentally fit, we'll share 4 ways.
Join us for life stories
And meaningful moments in the community. Hey there, we're glad you joined us.
Here's a question. Are you taking care of your brain as well as your body?
We're Doug and Lynn Nodland from sharinglifeslessons.com, and we eat pretty well.
Yeah, exercise pretty much.
And we realized how important it is to take care of your brain.
But with this busy world out there, it's easy to kind of put that one on the back burner a little bit.
Right. And yet there are so many benefits.
Exactly. People with better brains seem to have better relationships and less stress.
For sure. So we encourage you to be proactive about taking care of your brain.
Yeah, otherwise it can just kind of wither away, and we don't want that to happen. Right.
So to have a vibrant brain and be mentally fit, we'll share 4 ways.
Number 1, keep learning.
Research shows that there is a correlation between the knowledge you gain and the health of your cognitive function.
And there's all kinds of ways to gain new knowledge these days with technology. My goodness, the internet is replete with all kinds of mind apps and things that you can purchase, and
you just push a button and you can get thousands, maybe millions of books and podcasts and articles and lectures.
And play games that keep your mind active, like Scrabble and Sudoku and
chess,
crossword puzzles, all kinds of things.
Right. And you can play with people across the world.
And it keeps those neural pathways going, right?
Yes.
Patty Berg says, always keep learning. It keeps you young. Number 2, practice healthy habits.
Even the task of writing down goals will help you stay alert and help you look at accomplishing some things and helps you stay engaged in life.
Try new things. Go to new places.
But make it a habit. Like once a month you go to a new restaurant and try to find ones that have healthy meals.
And as Jim Rohn said, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Number 3, exercise.
Regular exercise is good for the body and for the brain. When you exercise, you get those feel-good hormones out there.
Right.
They elevate the mood, and they also help with concentration and memory.
And it's even better if you can exercise outside, because then you get vitamin D, which is also helpful for body, mind, and spirit, right?
And it is. And you know, if you go to a place like a park, there are new experiences.
Right.
And that stimulates the brain too.
And Robin Sharma says, if you don't take time for exercise, you probably have to make time for illness. We don't want that. Number 4, manage stress.
Easier to say than to do. At times it's busy and we all get anxious and stressed.
And it's not just that we have stress, but it's the amount of stress that we have over a prolonged period of time where it can become dangerous for your health.
Right. That's when the stress hormone cortisol gets released, and that's not good for your health. So what you can do is
meditation, prayer, yoga oftentimes help.
Right. And if you have emotions that need to be expressed, see a trusted mentor or a healthcare professional, and that can help put your mind at ease.
In fact, there's a quote by Joan Borisenko. She says, each day brings a choice to practice stress or practice peace. How about you? What can you do to increase your mental fitness?
We encourage you to try new things and practice healthy habits.
And exercise and manage stress.
So you can be mentally fit. And we hope that our paths will cross as we're out trying new things too.
We'd love to hear your thoughts. You can contact us at WeCare@sharinglifeslessons.com.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.